What's going on, everyone? My name is Jonathan Paragas, fellow artist and street photographer from the San Francisco Bay Area. And today I am in Chinatown, and it's early, very, very early in the morning, and we're gonna be doing some street photography with a GoPro strapped onto the chest here. Now, the weather right now is still super cloudy, which is really good because it gives off this almost dark feeling to Chinatown right now. And being that it's still early in the morning, the streets aren't as flooded just yet. And so we're gonna go around, try to make some photographs of this eerie yet empty Chinatown and try to capture some scenes around that theme. Now, I'm going to be using my Ricoh GR2, and like I said, I have the GoPro strapped onto the chest, but we're mostly going to be shooting in the positive film preset. And as we go, I'll explain more about the settings that I use on my GR2 to achieve the results that we're about to get. So without further ado, you guys, let's go ahead and just get shooting. And I'm excited for a day right now of Chinatown street photography. Let's go. Chinatown has a lot of colorful storefronts, which make great scenes for the fishing technique. This is a recurring theme in today's photographs, which you'll see later on in the video. This has got to be one of the crazier photographs that I made this year. Easily my favorite shot from today. All right, you guys, we found a nice quiet alleyway here. We started the day out in Chinatown. I think I'm gonna hang around here for a little bit, but I might move more into kind of the downtown San Francisco area, just because it's getting a little bit more busy in you know, the Chinatown area, and I kind of walked through a couple of times already. So I'll take a couple more photographs and then we'll head more into the downtown area. So as we make our way through our final sweep of Chinatown, I want to go over some technical settings for my GR. First and foremost, I shoot this camera in strictly aperture priority, generally floating between f4 and f8. I rarely ever shoot the camera wide open at 2.8, as most of the time I'm stopping my lens down so I could shoot hyperfocal. These are the settings that work for me when it comes to optimizing the camera for street photography. Later on in the day, the sun came out a bit to play, and I snagged a couple more frames before leaving. Every photograph has a story, so here are a couple that stood out to me today. Thank you all for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed the POV. Till next time, get out there and create.